must have rained just recently. The land is so clear, the trees, the air. Oh my goodness, the grass. I am right next to the Shiva statue, and what I want to say is this is amazing. This is really very beautiful, and this is really very peaceful. Amazing. I did all the things. I just enjoyed everything. I was finding kind of like peace in that. So behind me is that. Bonjour guys and Sat Shri Akal. Today's vlog which I'm starting, I am in Coimbatore city and I'm going to Isha Yoga Center. So I'm going to visit that place after around 7.5 years. And you can take your bus, you can take your taxi very easily from Coimbatore. Coimbatore is having the airport as well, the railway junction as well. And it is also one of the main hubs after Chennai in Tamil Nadu. And I'm really loving, enjoying my trip over here. This is seriously fun. I feel like I should live here forever. I shouldn't go back anywhere else. So, enjoying my time. Number 56, coming and going from the same destination. It takes me a little bit of time to read Tamil because I know how to read. So yeah, but time लगता है छोटे छोटे बच्चों की तरह I can read जोड़ के अक्षर. So yeah, this is going good. Going to the same destination. So I have already entered Isha Yoga Center, Isha Dhyan Kendra Dhyan Center. So this is very beautiful. The weather is really very beautiful. Like this. यार मतलब मौसम, you see the clouds over there. It must have rained just recently. The land is so clear, the trees, the air. Oh my goodness, the grass. This is beautiful, huh? And I feel there are a lot of people. Not a lot of people, but there are people already over there. Buses are there. Good parking is there, I think. That is the parking. Oh my god, the shivling is visible. Not the shivling, the statue is visible. I could see it. मेरी कार दा फास्टैग नहीं चलता हैगा. I have to pay cash. Otherwise नहीं तो फास्टैग तो डिडक्ट हो जाना सी. Thank you ना. So I've reached, and I'm excited to see all of this. Car parking first. I have parked the car. Line. Park in the line. This is so beautiful. I could see the Shiva statue. This is so beautiful. I am at Isha Dhyanlinga. So this is a statue established by Sadhguru. 116 feet statue, I think. And then there is a shivling over there, and then Nandi is there. It's a very big, round, very big place surrounded by mountains over here. And it looks fabulous. Seriously, it looks fabulous. And I really wanted to wear a sari actually. I'm busy. So I really wanted to wear a sari actually. So I stopped. I requested my friend that give me one sari. So she gave me a pure Kanchivaram 40,000 rupees sari which she gave me, and I'm really loving it. I'm enjoying it, and I really am thankful to her and to God, of course, for all of this. I am right next to the Shiva statue, and what I want to say is this is amazing. This is really very beautiful, and this is really very peaceful, and I'm really loving it over here. I'm gonna enjoy this view. I'm gonna enjoy the peace. I'm gonna sit for a while, and then from here first of all I'll just go back to the taxi, not taxi, my car, and then remove the sari and then come back because it's a very expensive one. I don't want to ruin this one, so I'm just gonna go back to the car and do the thing first. So you can scan from here and join our WhatsApp community application, and you can receive Isha updates, and they also guide you about the timings and what is available next. And I see a bull cart next, right right there somewhere I see a bull cart. I'm not going to take the bull cart, but I'm just gonna go over there, see it. And people say over here when we have the Shivratri, there is a huge public. And what I remember is we have a very good kitchen over here. We can pay over there and we can eat food. So that is what basically I'm going to do, because it's 9:30 a.m. I didn't eat anything and I really need some food right now. So I'm going for that. First of all, food. I think from Bull Cart Service. What do they write about the Bull Cart Service? Royal Enfield bullet tires, way wooden seats are carrying load capacity within the limits prescribed by law. There is a daily cart schedule for each bull which allows them to get ample rest. Fee charges for this service go towards the maintenance of the cattle and blah 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 blah, which means it's all within the limits and all that stuff, but I'm not going to take it. I'll just take some video. That is enough for me. Yay, baby poo poo. Bull cart, the center showcase Indian cultural heritage. This is the Nandi station, the bull station. They are parked here. They are standing here, and this is the one coming with passengers. And they put them here to rest, to eat, to sleep, take a nap, and then work again. This is amazing. The statue is really beautiful, and you can pay somewhere and then you can get the bull ride, but I'm not gonna take this. And I'm looking for actually a kitchen, canteen basically, where I can purchase the food and I can have it. Otherwise there are some stalls. I can see the stalls behind these bulls already. So I'm looking for the canteen. Where is it, the canteen? So I found the canteen. I'll get inside, I'll eat over here, I'll sit over here, I'll relax over here. That is the exit door, and that is also the other side entry door, but there is not good parking over there. Parking is at the other door, Dhyan Linga. So I think that is also part B of the same place. Okay, let's go inside and eat first. This is how my tea looks like. First he pour the tea, then he makes some foam for the milk, and then this is my puri, aloo bhaji, and then coconut chutney. Through this gate you can enter into the Dhyan Linga place, the Isha exact Kendra, where I think they do the meditation and all that stuff. So I'm gonna enter and see what's there. If you have come to Sadhguru's Isha place and you haven't visited the main Isha place, you haven't seen anything. The Shiv Linga, the dome, where you can pray, where you can do a lot of things. The way they do the rituals, the way they worship the Devi goddess. That is really amazing. I did all the things. I just enjoyed everything. I was finding kind of like peace in that. So behind me is that over there you're supposed to drop all of your belongings. They give you the token. I had all the things. I dropped them over there. They were safely returned back to me. Nothing missing, nothing lost, everything all okay. And then over there you are supposed to go take a trip over there, spend an hour, you will be at bliss. Now I feel like I will have to take the cart. It is necessary for me. It's raining and I don't want to waste another minute, so I have to go somewhere else as well. So leaving this place unwillingly, I will have to take the cart. So whenever you come here, you fully enjoy this. The weather is amazing, the place is amazing, the food is amazing, ambience is amazing, amazing. So do come, do visit, give it 3-4 hours, you'll be happily returning home with good memories. Last thing to be seen here are the colorful buses. They are very unique. So Uncle Ji is watching, literally. Another bus with designs, faces. Ah, there's a big guy over there. Oh, two eyes, sorry, I didn't see that. There's an eagle and then I don't know what. But the buses look amazing. At least I could cover one destination fully and I'm satisfied with that, and I'm happy as well I found the things out. Okay, so now moving towards second place, which is really very important for me. That